What is up, everyone? We are back finally at CBG Airport. I'm trying to talk quiet so I don't disturb everybody from their comings and goings. We took a little hiatus there, not intentionally. It's been a month, I think, since my last post. It's been since June since I've been out of town. Not okay. We are rectifying that. Intentionally, I was gonna go to Thailand. That was a picture that I posted before. Phuket, if you know how the Americans tend to pronounce that city in Thailand. That pretty much sums up where I have been in life, and that's why I chose that city. It's so affordable that I was able to get a hotel there for $400 for my entire stay, except I'm bougie, and although my flight credit from Delta that I had for Malta, which is where I was supposed to be in September, covered the flight to Thailand, I was so bougie that I kept adding things onto the trip, and it got to be like $1,400, and I was like, this is supposed to be like a little getaway, not something too expensive, but just, I had to get out of town. I have to. If you know me, I have to go out of town every 3 months or I go crazy, and I've lost my mind completely. It's been entirely too long. So, we made an impromptu trip, and we made it cheap, and it's gonna be fun. And I'm gonna take you on a ride with me. So, let's go on another trip. Up, everybody. Welcome to what part of North Carolina are we?
Waxhaw.
What she said.
Waxhaw.
Welcome to Waxhaw Hall, HAW, North Carolina. We are just outside of Charlotte. This neighborhood is beautiful. So, why am I in North Carolina and not Phuket, Thailand? I already told you I'm bougie, and the Thailand trip ended up being like $1,400. And when I decided that I was canceling, I was talking to this one here, and forgot, I don't know how I could forget, that it is my wonderful niece's first birthday. So Ashley and I, we met back in 2013. God.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Really?
Yeah. 12 years ago. In the Cincinnati Fire Academy. So we have been friends ever since. We were pretty attached at the hip in middle school.
Very much so.
Yeah. And then a beautiful friendship has bloomed from there. She has since moved on to greater parts of life. Living the dream in California, San Fran, which I absolutely love because I've been out to visit her quite a few times, and I lived there for a whole month, 2 months. Yeah, I had a nice little stint during COVID where I was helping out at a hospital. But yeah, so today we're gonna celebrate Miss Aaliyah's birthday. She's so adorable. I can't wait for you to meet her. Besides the balloon
It's so crazy.
1 year old.
It's so crazy.
How you feel?
Old.
When you're older? Who is that? Who is that?
people back in the Keshia period, yes, were going, all of a sudden everybody was talking, they were laughing.